Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric guitars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rise by Sawtooth electric guitar. If you're looking for a left-handed electric guitar to fit your small frame, look at the Rise by Sawtooth left-handed beginner guitar. This guitar features the traditional Les Paul shape with a double cutaway design, allowing a great range of access to the higher frets. The hardware includes 2 humbucker pickups with chrome covers, 1 volume control, 1 tone control, and a 3-way toggle pickup switch. The scale length is 24 3/4, making it very comfortable to play, even in tight spaces. The rosewood fingerboard is enjoyable to solo or riff on. The finish on this guitar is very nice, with a black pickguard adding a bit of a vintage feel. For such an affordable option, the Rise by Sawtooth is an incredibly functional instrument that looks great too. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Pyle heavy metal electric guitar. This vibrant electric guitar comes with 5-watt power, and its solid wood construction makes it a durable option. The neck and fretboards are made with maple wood, giving you ultimate control over your sound. The split single coil pickup system lets you achieve multiple tones with just one instrument. Plus, it's ergonomically designed so that you won't have issues reaching all those high or low notes. The neck width is a comfortable 16.5 millimeters, allowing your fingers to navigate the fretboard easily. It also comes in 3 vibrant colors, so you can choose one that fits your style. At number 3, we have the Donner 30-inch Kids electric guitar. If you're looking for a smaller electric guitar that packs a punch, the Donner Kids electric guitar 30-inch mini electric guitar is the perfect option. This mini guitar is lightweight and easy to carry, producing excellent sound quality and style. The Donner Kids electric guitar is made from solid basswood and comes with 3 single-coil pickups. These pickups provide various sounds, from warm jazz tones to bright, twangy country licks. Also, the guitar has a scale length of 30 inches, which makes it perfect for those with smaller hands or players just starting. This mini electric guitar also features 22 metal frets, chrome string, and sealed tuning heads for superior intonation and tuning accuracy. In addition, the guitar's unique shape adds an extra style element, while the design will likely draw attention. At number 2, we have the Lefty Kids 30-inch electric guitar. If you're looking for an electric guitar perfect for small hands, you can't go wrong with the left-handed Kids 30-inch electric guitar. This miniature instrument is ideal for young learners, as it features a short scale length of just 30 inches and only weighs 7 pounds. The body of this model is crafted from a strong and durable basswood material, creating a light yet robust instrument. It is also fitted with a maple neck, helping to ensure stability and durability during playtime. For those looking for an affordable yet quality electric guitar that fits small hands perfectly, look no further than the left-handed Kids 30-inch guitar. It's an excellent choice for young players learning to play music. And finally, at number 1, we have the Purple electric guitar beginner. Are you looking for a beginner guitar that won't leave you cramped and uncomfortable? The Purple electric guitar is an excellent choice for those with small hands. This stylish, 3-tone electric guitar with a bolt-on neck is ergonomically designed to fit easily into your hands. Its lightweight, slim neck has a comfortable profile that makes it easy to play, while the rosewood fingerboard gives it an elegant look. It comes equipped with dual humbucker pickups, which have great sound quality and are perfect for capturing everything from smooth blues to heavy rock. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this guitar will provide hours of musical enjoyment and make playing easier. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.